This is how I wear my palazzo pants. One shoulder, that's my first one. Then I'm gonna turn it to the front and add a belt. So I'm gonna tie it behind my neck. If you don't feel comfortable tying it behind your neck, you can pin it. I'm gonna also add a belt. And you can switch up any belt you want, any necklace you want. It's whatever you want to do with it. Have fun with it. And excuse me because I'm not wearing Spanx or the right undergarment. For this one, I'm just making it up as I go. But if I had my pants, I think it would wear a lot better. I'm wearing like the culottes. And on the side, if you pin it, it may work. Right there, I'm just going to take the whole leg and put it over my neck. And it's like a cow neck. You can also wear it as a hood. I forgot what number I was on. Now I'm just twisting the middle. And again, if I was wearing the pants, it would wear a lot different. It would go all the way around my neck. Now I'm adding a rubber band. Now for this part, I would say you can add a brooch or like a sequence belt. Jazz it up, make it your own, make it pretty. I know y'all will. Now I'm kind of turning it to the back. Trying one more thing. You can pin the front down. I took the rubber band off. And then I'm going to twist around my waist. Again, if it was the pants, it would fit and it would be like a sash or whatever. So, and you can also pin it if you want to. Now this is my last one, y'all. Just take the leg and go over and tuck it in. That's it.